Today I'm going to teach you how to add a gradient background in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to make your designs more dynamic and visually appealing, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any kind of digital content. Let's jump right in and explore how you can achieve this sleek effect. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, log into your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage where all your creative tools await. From here, look for the option that says Start New Design and give it a click. This will open up a menu with various size options. For our purposes today, select Custom Size. This allows you to set specific dimensions for your project. Once you've chosen your dimensions, click Create New File to start working on your canvas. Now that you have your blank canvas ready, direct your attention to the left panel of the Adobe Express interface. Here you'll find various tools and features. Click on Add-ons. This section is where you can enhance your design with additional features and integrations that Adobe Express offers. It's essentially your toolkit for taking designs to the next level. At the upper left of the Add-ons section, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type Gradients. This will help you locate the gradient tool quickly. Now, if you've already added the Gradients add-on previously, you'll see an option to click Open. Go ahead and click that to launch the gradient tool. However, if this is your first time using it, you'll see an Add button instead. Click Add and then confirm by clicking Add again. This installs the gradient feature into your workspace. Once the gradient tool is open, navigate to the right panel. Here you'll discover several gradient options to choose from, including linear, vertical, and horizontal styles. Each of these creates a different visual effect, so feel free to experiment and see which one suits your design best. The linear option creates a smooth transition at an angle, while vertical and horizontal create straight up and down or side-to-side gradients respectively. Beyond just selecting a style, you can also fully customize the colors of your gradient. Use the slider to adjust the blend between colors, or click on the color picker to choose specific shades that match your brand or aesthetic. This level of control ensures your gradient looks exactly how you envision it. Finally, once you're satisfied with your gradient's appearance and colors, click Add to Page. This will apply the gradient directly to your canvas as a background, instantly transforming your design with that modern, polished look. And there you have it, a beautifully customized gradient background in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.